Hey guys, how you doing? I'm here at this little community pond, and I don't know, I fished here once before. I kind of like it. It's not too far from my house. But the thing I want to tell you is, also I only got like 30 minutes until I have to leave to make it home to get ready for work. Sorry about the wind. It's kind of windy today, or at least breezy, that is. But so what I'm gonna fish on this right here. It's a little 4.8. If you can see it, I don't know if you can see it right here. 4.8, and it's ultralight with moderate action. Got a Panther Martin Bumblebee right here. Just picked up, kind of liked it. It's on a swivel clip, and you got a swivel here on top with the bead. But what I do want to tell you, it's 4.8. This is just a little 4.8. I like it too. But what I do want to tell you is, somebody told me before that, like, if you put your barb on this right here, don't put it on your eye, you know, your ring right here. Don't do that, because I guess it wears it down, or it can break it or something, because I think these things are really sensitive, you know. So there's a little opening right here underneath the eye or ring, and put your lure on that right there. Just a little tip thought I'd give you guys. Yeah, that's it. I sure did fall. Oh man, that didn't feel good. I'm gonna keep that in. If I fell for a fish, then it's worth it. That sucked. See, it was worth it. Yeah, look at that. It's like the first cast, dude. All right, nice little booger. All right, fish on. Look, he went. Come here, bud. I don't know where you're going. There you go. Turn around. There you go. There you go. Turn around, pal. Can you see that? Where you at? Oh, that's a nice one too. Got to keep pressure on it because it is barbless. First cast, dude. Look at that. Got a catfish? Bro, I don't want no catfish. But I'll get you with my net. Come here, pal. All right. Got you. Did you swallow it? Hopefully not. Look at this guy. Relax, pal. There you go. Want to see him? All right, get out of here. Let's see. Get out of my net. There he goes. Not too bad. This net right here, I like it a lot.